It only took 381 days, but I got a desk in my office. Oh, well, we are hot and sweaty, but we've spent the morning making room for the stuff to come home out of storage. We are disgusting.
Yes,
Andy's pointed out I'm the most disgusting.
It's not disgusting, it's just obvious.
It is obvious. So we're just going to put most of the books into this corner in the dining room until I can get the bookshelves over there built. We'll put a bunch of stuff up in my office, Calac shelves and wool and things like that. But we're pretty much ready to have our stuff home. And then Sunday, the cats will join the stuff. Look at this cute bumble.
Listen to the sound of other people working.
Where have you gone? Hello. Yes, we love you too. My wool is coming home, honey.
Oh, good.
Look at it. It's missed me so much. So much wool.
Please do the filming while I'm trying to empty the unit.
So much wool. Gonna have a house soon. Just 2 stacks of books left. Me great grandma's buffet. A few more boxes. This thing, which will go in our bedroom once I tidy it up a bit. Cute husband. So much stuff.
Yes, let's wait to do this video when we've pulled out our ready set. Fuck you, said Tanya.
So sweaty. Oh, my office was so clean for several minutes. Oh my god.
Well, to be fair, when we finish my office, like an entire corner of this room that you probably haven't filmed yet is going to be able to move out of here.
Andy's desk is all up in my grill. All right, we have got one of the shelves put back together and the other one on top. Now, one more to do. We're putting some shelves together and we have a few broken dowels. So we've got sort of 2 things we're trying. This one, we're just gonna drill part of the broken dowel out because I do have some shorter dowels. And then on some of these, I've got just a little nubbin that I will stick in there and hammer down. And then I'll put the slightly shorter dowel on top of it and hammer that into place. And then at least when we pop the top on, it's better than nothing. Well, with the exception of a few gouges in the wall that I'll have to do.
Only one of which you can see.
Several of which I know are there and will bother me forever.
Because you're mad.
Yep. I have a nice little office space. Now we're gonna sneeze, apparently, and then fill it up. What's the one thing that could make our morning just a little bit more difficult while we're trying to get ready to bring the cats home tomorrow? Could it be a clogged pipe in the washing machine? All right, let's start the morning with some DIY. Okay, hopefully I can just fix this drain in like 2 minutes and go on with my life. Because there's nothing I love more than getting down on the floor under the sink. Don't need it all the way loose, just enough to take this pipe off. Not yet. Actually, maybe it's... come on, off you go. All right, that's disgusting already. All right, if this works. My former campfire mom self will be very proud. Found a pipe cleaner in the craft stuff. So I'm gonna just try, oh, maybe that is completely blocked. Okay, no, that is too blocked for the pipe cleaner. That would explain why the washing machine can't drain. Nope, don't drop my pipe cleaner. Ugh, annoyingly, this is so blocked. I'm gonna have to take it off. Just what I wanted to do today. Work in a little tiny space where I can't see shit. How did I get you off last time? Probably not with this screwdriver. No chance. Alright, let's just... I've trapped myself. Let's try this a different way. No, actually, I don't need to take that off. Let's just take this off. Need room to see what I'm doing. Oh no, I missed. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm gonna vomit. Oh, God, I wish you could smell that. Let's maybe take that outside, shall we? Oh, so delicious. Andy was draining the last of the mustard. Found it. You know what else I would love? If this sink would stop dripping on me. I tried that. Okay, we're just gonna work smarter, not harder for a minute, shall we? Okay. Hopefully. Thought you're about to see something pretty funny. Actually, if I were to disengage the trap. Boy. Okay. Now, do I have something? Oh, now can I have one of those tent stakes? What is happening is every time we wash something that is sweat material, let's call it, and we wear a lot of sweats because we're going through a chubby phase, the fluff is like getting stuck in here, and it's really stuck in there. So I'm gonna see if I can get it to go up, and if I can, there's one. So there's one, just about hard as a rock. Actually, let's just take you on an adventure and see if we can illuminate this little hole. What else is in there? Oh, it's like some kind of plastic or something. Okay, thankfully, Andy knew where some surgical tweezers were. Let's see. Oh, I had it and then I let it go. Yeah, what are you? No idea. Something broken. Okay. How do we look?
so we've got that corner cleared out. There's
Thank
a
you.
little, and I emphasise a little bit of overflow space for boxes, but mainly it's cat access route to the back door and cat.
All right, that seems to be draining out. I'm gonna call that done. As far as you can go. Here's open. Okay. Let's put this back together, shall we? There we go. Stable as an American president. Just gonna pop the trap back on here. I took that out now. That's done. Now I'm gonna run the washing machine and hopefully it will drain this time. Fingers crossed. We have unpacked my ugly glass. Yay! It finally has a home.
Those 3 shattered glasses and a mess of blanking canning jars.
At least this one has survived.
Yes.
Thank you, baby.
We went to a birthday party on the walkway above Tower Bridge
So how high do you think we are?
and then ended up taking home some of the decorations, which were very large. And I had worn the wrong shoes and walked barefoot all the way through London. And then first thing Sunday morning, after 14 months, our babies came home.
Are you guys ready to go home? Is Daddy ready for them to go home?
Oh, Macy.
Trust us, you're gonna love it.
They were actually super good in the car. 90 minutes, no accidents.
Okay, come here, babe. Do both sides unzip on yours as well? Okay. Are you guys ready to see your new house? There you go. There you go. Come on out and explore. Oh, Pixel. Is this pretty exciting? Yeah, there you go, Mama. Have a nice look around. What's going on, you guys? Oh my gosh. Should I just sit down and you can explore? What you doing, Pixel? Yeah, okay. You find a good place to hide. Where'd Brother go? Oh, hi. It's just Daddy. Where are you going? Did you find a bench you're gonna hide under? Are you being silly back there? What are you doing? Is that fun? Okay, you just have your little explore. What's going on over there? Are you all dirty now? You just gonna hang out under a stool for a bit? There you go. Cobweb free. that a good spot? You can check out Mama's office too. I found a baby. Tormund, what are you doing down there? You just sitting by Mama's ugly glass? Yeah. Is this Pixel TV? I'd watch the shit out of that.